Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about Arlo security cameras. Arlo is a sub-company of Netgear. Netgear is famous for their webcams, but Arlo is their special brand of cameras that is designed for consumers to allow them to easily set up a home wireless security system while being able to view it from your smartphone or anywhere else in the world. We're going to switch screens here, take a look at Arlo security cameras, and see how it can help you keep your home safe and secure. Give me a few seconds here, we'll switch screens, and we're at Arlo's main page. Arlo can be found at arlo.com. They've got products for home and for business, but all are easy to use and easy to set up, allowing consumers to become their own security experts. Some of the best cameras, or one of the best cameras that they currently have on the market, is the Arlo Pro 2, which is a wire-free, HD, weather-resistant, rechargeable camera. One of the bonuses about the top-of-the-line Arlo cameras is that they run off of batteries that usually have a life of 6 months to 2 years, depending on how much activity you have. Like the website says, you can have peace of mind anywhere because Arlo cameras record not only in daylight, but you also have night vision on the cameras, which will allow you to see if someone's prowling around your property at night. But like I stated before, the cameras are 100% wire-free. They are weatherproof, so you can mount them indoors and outdoors. One of the best features about Arlo cameras is that you can do free cloud recording, which means that you can upload your videos of motion detection and sound triggered recordings for up to 5 cameras. Cloud recording means is that you don't have to have a messy DVR device that's sitting around your home. Arlo will take those images and it will upload them to the cloud, so that way you can view them at any time. Arlo also gives you the option of being able to do a live view of your camera. So whether it be an indoor camera or an outdoor camera, you can go to the Arlo app, click on it, and you can view what videos are posted on your camera. So there's another screenshot of the camera view from a smartphone, and Arlo is committed to security, so they allow you cloud storage for up to 5 cameras. And the great thing about Arlo cameras is that it is smart home enabled, which means that you can connect your Arlo camera to Amazon Alexa. You can connect it with SmartThings. You can do it to If This Then That, Wink, Vanguard, and Stringify. So it's a very versatile camera that will work with a wide variety of products. Unfortunately, according to that list, it will not work for Apple devices, meaning Apple's home. So if we go to products and look at some of the products that they have available, you can see they've got wire-free cameras such as the Arlo Pro 2, the Arlo Pro, and the Arlo. These cameras use a magnetic mount where you can just screw in the base, connect your camera via the magnet, and it will automatically attach. You've got your own mobile camera where you can take them wherever you want to go. It does not require Wi-Fi or a power adapter. It runs on batteries. And then also you do have your powered cameras where you would have to plug those into an outlet in order to view video. And finally, you've got your Arlo baby camera, which will allow you to monitor your baby. It kind of takes place of a baby monitor. And you've also got your Arlo light. So rather than having a camera system, you can just have wireless lights that are motion detected that will allow you to keep track of what's going on in your home. If we go back to the Arlo page, if you can get an idea of the quality of video that you get with your Arlo devices. So it's super high definition video, and it will allow you to see clearly what's going on with your home. So if you're looking for a good security system or a good Wi-Fi camera that you would be able to set up, I would highly recommend that you go with the Arlo line of products. They're easy to use. They're created by a trusted company like Netgear, and you should have no problem setting up Arlo in your own home or even your own home business. So check out Arlo today. As always, if you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what tech tips that you would like to see in future videos. Speaking of videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Burton Kelso, or my company Integral's YouTube channel to find out tech tips that are going to help you get the most from the technology that you use. And also, we're all over social media, so find myself, Burton Kelso, or Integral anywhere on the internet. So folks, as always, take care of yourselves and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.